Wow, what a beautiful scenery. I brought my babies at the beach today. This is Michael. Sweet Michael. And this is Luna. Kid Luna, and this is Kid August. My babies are sleeping, listening to the beautiful sea breeze sounds. Hey, let's take your pacifier. Look at how sweet Luna is. And my Michael. They like the sea breeze sound so much, so they fell asleep. They are so sweet together. They are ready to go home to their mom. It was a custom order. Θα μου λείψετε. I will miss you. Michael and Luna, I will miss you so much. But your mommy is waiting for you with so much love, and you will be so nice to your new home, babies. I think I will fall asleep too, okay? The sound made me so much relaxed. Thank you, my friends, for watching.